I put this unexpected ingredient in my oatmeal, and it's one of the healthiest things that I eat. You know, this is one of my favorite meals, and it might surprise you. In this video, I share my simple oatmeal bowl, plus this unexpected ingredient that I add for extra nutrition and something that's going to provide me with a lot of energy. So if you're looking for an easy, nourishing meal that you can customize daily, this might become a staple for you too. I've got water boiling. I'm going to put this all together, and let me show you how I layer this and put it all together so it can soak and I can enjoy this powerhouse breakfast that I think you might enjoy as well. Okay, simple steps for an oatmeal that's going to be soaked. Now, I could have done this the night before and actually had it in the fridge, though I wanted to have it warm, so I'm making it this morning after my workout. Got some quick oats, and if you haven't noticed already or seen my previous video, I am on vacation right now, so I am preparing this in a hotel room that has a little bit of a kitchenette. There's no microwave, but I brought my hot water kettle with me. So I'm just going to have 2 heaping cups of here. This is 1/3 cup of putting the quick oats in the bowl. And then the special ingredient. This is dried baby spinach. Now, this is so easy to make on your own. If you don't have a dehydrator at home, this is something that you can just do in an oven. So I'm crumbling this up so it's a little bit fine and putting a good handful across the top of the oatmeal. So there's layer number 1. Put a little bit more in here. The next layer, I've got some frozen blueberries. And I do have a fridge in the room. There's just not a microwave. Put a good size helping of those. And you know, there's a method to my madness here. All of these nutritious ingredients, not only are they inexpensive, they're also very nutritious because I'm eating for health purposes. The oatmeal is inexpensive, and it's also really rich in fiber. The spinach, this is where the magic happens. This is the nutrients, the iron, the extra vitamins and minerals are all in here that are going to give me the powerhouse breakfast that's good for my colon, it's good for my health, it's good for energy, and also helping me to better manage chronic conditions. Some of those I have side effects such as inflammation and chronic pain. Well, this is an anti-inflammatory bowl. And with all of this, I'm also going to add a little bit of walnuts. Just put a little bit of that on the top. And now I add, now that this is all together, now I'm going to add the hot water. So I will just add 3 of the cups. These are 1/3 cups, so this will be 1 whole cup of hot water in here. And that's as easy as this is to put together. This is going to soak and puff up. That's the benefit of quick oats. Now at home, I love to have steel cut oats. I have whole oats. There's all sorts of grains that I enjoy in the morning, though when I'm traveling, this is so inexpensive and nutritious and delicious. I love eating this way because, you know, I want to feel my best, and that's the tricky part as we are living with chronic conditions. If you are as well, you'll understand that there are symptoms that really make your life challenging, and whether you're using medications to help you manage those or not, food is one more aspect, a medicinal aspect that can help you to better manage chronic conditions. With this bowl now, I'm just going to put the lid on the top, and this is going to just soak on the counter while I shower and get all cleaned up. One added benefit that I'm going to add for myself is a little more greens. And I tend to eat my vegetables first. This is something that I was told to do as a child. I've just carried it with me. I love vegetables, and having another green in the morning, this is one layer that's actually going to be sitting in my belly, getting into my gut, and that is how we actually maximize the way our body can digest our food. It slows things down so we don't get a blood sugar spike, and then by the time everything gets to our colon, there's all sorts of nutrients and fiber, and the colon knows what to do with whole foods. If you are struggling with nutrition, speak to a dietitian, of course. And if you don't know me, my name is Tiffany Anderson. I am the health educator, the alternative healthcare provider that became the patient. I had a health crisis. It changed my life forever. And as someone who's always been a foodie, I love cooking. I love eating deliciously plated meals. I have come to love this meal plan that it is specific. It is called the starch solution. And, you know, it's worth it to me to invest in my health because I had a horrifying experience. And now that I'm in my 60s and I want to live a high quality of life, I'm in charge. I am the one, I'm the patient. So it's my job to take really good care of myself. And if you have any type of a chronic condition, think of something like arthritis. That is a degenerative condition. So the more that we can do to actually support our body and to help our body so we can have restorative sleep, so we can digest our foods properly and help our colon to actually absorb the nutrients. There's all sorts of ways that outside of the doctor's office that we can better take care of our health. And that truly is where miracles can happen. Now, I feel that this meal plan truly saved my life and improved it in ways that I hadn't believed possible, because I found myself at a horrifying place in my 40s and was given kind of an ultimatum about I may not survive, and I came out on the other side. Now my life is forever changed, and that happens as we get older. Things change. We have genetic disorders. We have other imbalances. We might have environmental factors. There's all sorts of reasons why our body may have problems, and it's our job then, along with partnering with our doctors, to better manage all of those chronic conditions. And that way we can age well, age gracefully. That's the purpose of my channel. And this is part of my Butternut to Bionic series. In a previous video, I shared how I customized a meal for my lunch, and this is helping me to stretch my budget. Anyone out there, older adult, whether you're a caregiver or you still have children at home, healthcare is expensive. I live in the US, and maximizing my healthcare dollars is crucial in order for me to be able to travel and to have the life that I want to have. Back to the extra green that I'm putting together. I have some frozen broccoli, and all I'm doing is pouring some of that boiling water on top of these frozen broccoli crowns here, and that's just going to soak. I don't necessarily need to have this hot, but I do need to defrost it. And the topping that I'm going to be putting on here to flavor this also might surprise you, though. For any of you out there who actually prefer savory over sweet, it's a really nice palate cleanser to have something a little more on the bitter side in the morning, and your liver will love it. I have some German mustard. Now this has horseradish in it as well, this is something that I grew up eating and having it on any number of things. And now that I no longer eat animal products, I will put mustard on potatoes, I put it on rice, and I love it on green vegetables. It partners with it really well. I also love lemon. I don't have any lemon with me now, but this is all going to soak. I will show you the bowl when it's all ready, and I'll be right back. And voila, in that short amount of time that it took me to shower and get all cleaned up and ready for the day, the oatmeal has soaked. The dried spinach is all puffed up and ready to eat, and the frozen blueberries are also warmed and ready to go. Now I've got a few more little goodies that I'm going to be putting on top of this. As I said, normally when I am at home, I will put lemon juice because I really like the brightness of lemon when I add something like a leafy green. If you've watched any of my other foodie videos, you'll notice that I put greens in nearly everything. I do like to sweeten with stevia. I've explored a lot of different sweeteners over the years, and stevia works really well with my health. And I'm really curious if you are one who actually saves money while you're on vacation and eats in your hotel room. This isn't anything new. This is just one way that I like to make the best use of my time, because in this moment that I had my workout, I put together the breakfast, and then everything was prepping while I was showering and getting ready. This came about quite a while ago, and actually goes back to decades when my son was still small and we were taking family vacations. At home, I will usually use my own oat milk, though since I bought this is one of my favorite creamers for coffee, and since it's really thick, in order to put it on my oatmeal, what I'm going to be doing is putting about half of this and then topping it off with a little bit of cold water just for moistening the cereal. And then a little more water in here just to clean out the container. Get that measuring cup all tidied up. The broccoli, I've put a little more hot water on here. And so now that is all warm and ready to go. And I'll put that mustard on the broccoli. Sometimes I just like to have a balsamic glaze or even extra lemon juice on broccoli as well. I'll get this all ready, and it's time for breakfast. All right, breakfast is served. I've got the broccoli with the German mustard, and again, there's horseradish in here, so this is going to make it extra tangy. I love the pairing of mustard with greens like this, especially a cruciferous vegetable. I'll be starting with that first thing that goes in my belly. I've got some English breakfast tea. And then again, here is that magical oatmeal bowl. This is hearty, it's inexpensive, it's affordable. And for any of you mature adults out there who are managing chronic conditions, most of us have medications that we need to take with food. This is something that's going to be starting my day, helping me to stay full throughout the day and feeling my best. And let me know, does a customizable bowl like this oatmeal that you could pair with any fruit, and at home I will use kale, I've used arugula before, whatever fruit is in season. Sometimes I'll put flax meal in here. In the summer, I have fresh mint growing outside. I'll put lemon zest or orange zest. There's all sorts of beautiful ways that you can decorate and doll up a bowl of oatmeal and make it a decadent treat. If you've watched this far, I appreciate your time. You know, when I mentioned earlier that this eating in the hotel room was something that I came up with years ago, And it's only because that taking vacations was something that my family couldn't often afford. And so it was a rare occasion when I was a child. And then even when I became a parent, going on a vacation, especially if it was one of those really special multi-generational vacations where we live in Utah, and so we would get the family together, grandparents to kids, all of us together, and head to Disneyland. That was one of our family favorites. Now, when we would get there, picture this, the kids are excited, they're all fired up, ready to go, and yet all of the adults, then we would get everybody up in the morning, and we didn't have snacks, so you waited until it was mealtime to eat. And so everybody's getting ready, getting all cleaned up, ready for the day, going to the restaurant, waiting in the line at the restaurant, getting in, sitting down, ordering, waiting for the meal. And I was really paying attention to my son and his cousins and watching the amount of time that we were spending and the pained look on their little faces. So, on future vacations, and I thought, okay, no more. And decided that that was when we would take our own food or stay at a hotel or a motel that had a breakfast and just make it really simple. And when my son was able to stay in the room, stay in the pajamas a little bit longer, and just get to watch morning cartoons while mom or grandma and grandpa, everybody else was getting ready. And then they could have something simple like a bowl of cereal or a bagel, string cheese, whatever the case may be. Just keep it really, really basic. And then that way we had that nutritious breakfast, and then we'd get into the theme park and enjoy our day. It's not that we didn't eat out. I wanted to change the experience and how we were actually investing our time and investing our money. And, when vacations don't happen very often, you really want it to be a special time. And right now, as an adult, I want every day to feel special, and I know that that can happen by dining well. And that is helping me to age well, because eating foods like this, there are medicinal impacts of the food that we eat. And food can either be that empowering friend or it's a sabotaging foe. And I'm inviting you to join me on a journey to improved health. And please check back, because in the next video, part of this series is going to be talking about what life is really like after joint replacement. Thanks again so much for watching. Dine well and have a great day.